This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom Diecast Racing.
This season of Road Warriors, we have 12 teams that go head-to-head. Points accumulate over 11 rounds. Have you got what it takes to become the champion?
Road Warrior.
This is Road Warriors and this is round 9. How fast is this season going? We have the FRACTAL Panda on 14 points, outright leader, going up against REDLINE SALVAGE Inc. on 11 points, currently in 4th place. These guys are going to be battling it out tonight, ladies and gentlemen. They need the 2 points. Who's going to take it out? Off to a good clean start, neck to neck, but it looks like it's a FRACTAL Panda right out front, goes into turn 2. There's that big swing by REDLINE. The FRACTAL takes it out. 8.58. The Purple Haze with FRACTAL behind the wheels still currently holds a track record in Season 2 of an 8.080. Perfect lines taken by both of them going up high. That's how you take on this course, Mount Western Raceway. If you're new to the program, cars always swap in the second race. It looks like REDLINE SALVAGE Inc.'s going out hard, has a beautiful execution out of turn 1. There's that famous swing going backwards. And he takes it across the line in a 9.5. The FRACTAL Panda was very close. He was going to take him right then and there and just held back. Have a look at this. FRACTAL hits the wall. Must have been in between gears. Let's go again. Yeah, that's just slowed him right down, unable to overtake. All squared into race 3. This is battle 1. These 2 points are crucial for both of these teams. REDLINE SALVAGE Inc. has the advantage out of turn 1. The FRACTAL's trying to play catch up and the FRACTAL's gone. REDLINE SALVAGE Inc. crosses, takes out battle 1 in the 9.420. I'm very keen to check this replay out. Have a look at what REDLINE does. Slides, and the FRACTAL just pushes him right in the correct direction. Battle 1, REDLINE SALVAGE Inc. New Zealand versus America. Superman Dion going up against the Scoop Adams and the Royale with Cheese. Both teams coming off a very successful win last week. And the point system here is we have Superman Dion, who's currently on 12, and Scoop Adams is on 8. Scoop Adams, driving for 100 Proof Racing, had a very successful win against Po' Boy last week. Superman Dion savagely blocking the Scoop Adams. The Royale with Cheese, and it looks like Superman Dion's going to take this out, driving Jonah for Hot Wheel Boys. And a very late charge there again by Scoop Adams of the Royale with Cheese. That's what he did last week against Po' Boy Racing. Didn't pay off in this race. Look at that block there by Jonah, driven by Superman Dion. Paid off and gets himself his first win out of battle 2. Royale with Cheese has the inside. Scoop Adams going down hard, and yet again there's Superman Dion blocking the Royale with Cheese. Perfect line there by Jonah and crosses an 8.640. Well, some of the big names are falling over right here on Road Warriors. Superman Dion driving for Hot Wheel Boys. First entry into Road Warriors and cleaning up out of Battle 2. Sitting comfortably on 8 points is Leafer 12 driving the Blackjack for BLUELINE Racing, and Yo Jimbo driving the Murder 8 for Super Zero Racing is on 7 points. Both these teams desperately need the win tonight. They need the 2 points to be in contention, to be up near the top. This battle's going to be too hard to pick, but it looks like Leafer 12 going right out hard and fast and picks a beautiful line. Yo Jimbo pulling into the inside, blocks Leafer 12 and crosses in a 9.44. Not much in that race. I really would have thought Leafer 12 and the Blackjack had this sewn up. Let's have a look. Leafer 12's in a beautiful position. Just can't convert that top rail into speed. Race 2, Yo Jimbo has the inside. And they're off and racing, and it looks like Leafer 12 has just pounced right out of the gate. Floors it. There's no way Yo Jimbo's going to catch him from here. That was a very fast pace there by the Blackjack with Leafer behind the wheel. You can see Yo Jimbo just getting caught up on the rail there with his fenders. The fenders stick out from that car, and the mistress, Mount Western Raceway, grabs you and won't let you go. all tied up in race 3. Leafer 12 has the inside. Oh, Jimbo just tries to block Leafer 12. Unsuccessful move and left it wide open, and the track is all yours. Leafer 12 and Blackjack in a 10.340. Takes the battle out. Those 2 points are so crucial. Check out the fenders, how they just grab that side rail. That will pull you up. An interesting move there by Jimbo. Just goes sideways and blocks Leafer 12. And as you can see, a very unsuccessful attempt right there. Battle 4. It's Australia versus the USA. Cess in the autometer goes up against Po-Boy in the Nitro Door Slammer. 78 grams versus 97 grams. Mental Mania 3D is a builder, and Po-Boy Racing is the builder of the Nitro Door Slammer. Cess has the inside from Australia. And it's Cess right out front and hard, and here comes Po-Boy swinging right past her. The Nitro Door Slammer pulling ahead and crossing in a 9.920 in that first race. Getting off to a good fast start. It's a crucial thing right here in turn 1. You can see Cess really went up high, but just not enough power to secure herself getting through that turn. The Nitro Door Slammer able to just pass her and takes out that first win. Nitro Door Slammer has the inside, and it's Cess that pulls in front here. She has a stunning line. The Nitro Door Slammer really putting on some heat here. It's very close, and it's a Nitro Door Slammer with Po-Boy behind the wheel. Sneaks in first across the line in the 9.680. Last week, Scoop Adams, driving the Royale with Cheese, did exactly the same thing right on the line. Let's look at line cam. Not much in that really. Po-Boy takes out Battle 4 and gets the 2 points. This is what we came here to see, folks. Australia versus Australia. Mark D of CRC Racing from Australia. Hot Car Track from Australia. We've got Big Sam driving the Mighty NASCAR, and Hot Car Track is driving the FM Rover. This race could swing anyway, ladies and gentlemen. Big Sam has the NASCAR on the inside. The green is on and they're off and racing, and it's the NASCAR going out hard and fast, and here comes Hot Car Track right on his tail, but I don't think he's got the juice to get across. And Big Sam crosses in that NASCAR in a 9.160. I want to take you back and have a look at the line of the NASCAR. Check this out. What a beautiful line out of turn 2. Let's go again. There's poetry in motion right here on Mount Western Raceway. It's a beautiful thing to see. Hot Car Track has the inside in race 2. They always swap in race 2. Hot Car Track's going out hard and fast and swings. The NASCAR just swings past him, and it looks like he's got this completely done and dusted. He takes out Battle 5, gets the 2 points, and this is really going to reflect on the leaders right on top of this Road Warriors Season 2. Not a bad line the Hot Car Track took in that Rover. Big Sam takes out Battle 5. Killer racing. Here we are, Battle 6, the last of tonight. Jay Woodsy Woods in the Blackfire taking on Jazzy Jensen in the Nissan Skyline. Power Drive Racing versus NZ Racing. Jazzy's currently sitting on 10 points and Jay Woodsy's sitting on 9. A win here right now would really secure these guys a spot in the top 4. Here we go, Woodsy's right out front, swings hard out of turn 2. Jensen, Jazzy is trying to catch up, but it looks like Jay Woodsy Woods is going to cross first. Jazzy Jensen just got caught up the back there, up near the garages. Let's have a look. Is he all right? Oh, he actually crossed the line. Excuse me. Let's have a look at this replay. Jazzy Jensen picked the line, however, hit that side rail, and that just slowed him right down. Woodsy capitalising on the mistake there by NZ Racing. Race 2, Battle 6. They both get away quick, however, it's Jay Woodsy straight out of turn 1 and flooring it right through that turn 2. Jazzy's chucked it into top gear, but left his run too late in Battle 6. Jay Woodsy Woods in the Blackfire, taking out Battle 6 and those 2 crucial points going into round 10. Things are changing now. The Fractal and Big Sam both on 15. Bowboy, Superman on 14. Redline sitting there alone on 13. Jay Woodsy and Cess on 11. Jazzy and Leafer on 10. Scoop and Yo Jimbo on 8. And there's Hot Car Track right down the back on that 5. Catch you guys next week. These events don't happen without our sponsors, so go check them out on all their social media platforms, give them a thumbs up, or make a comment down below.
This is the streets. This is
Road Warriors. Custom diecast racing.